Hey everybody, my name is Tammicia and welcome to my channel where I share recipes and all things food related. If this is your very first time joining me on my channel, thank you so much. It's so nice to have you. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your continued support, and it is so good to see you again. So today I have something a little bit different for you guys, but a lot has actually happened since the last time I uploaded an actual recipe, and one of those things is for the month of April, I have chosen to eat a vegan diet, meaning that I have eliminated all animal products such as meat and all dairy products just for health reasons, and I am finding that I have been feeling so great this past month, and I may continue on. But with that being said, I have learned to listen to my body and listen to when I need certain things, certain nutrients and everything. And one of the things I have really been craving for the past few days is greens, like any type of green. And so today I went ahead and went to my local grocery store and picked up a bunch of kale, and I'm going to make a delicious kale salad for myself and my family before I get started on dinner tonight. And I figured I would show you guys how to make it as well. And so one of the great things about kale is that it's so full of vitamins and minerals that your body needs. Any type of dark leafy green is always going to be great for your digestive system, get loads of vitamins into your system, and I'm going to show you how to make it really tasty as well. So let's get into the ingredients. All right, so here's what we're going to use to make our kale salad. So of course we're going to use some kale. So I bought one bunch of kale from my local grocery store, which was only $1.49 for all of this. And I'm also going to chop up some red cabbage into our kale salad. I have a lemon because I'm going to squeeze half the lemon juice in it, 2 garlic cloves that I'm going to mince up. And then we're also going to need some olive oil, which is what I'm going to use to massage our kale in to make it nice and tender. I have seasoned rice vinegar, which I absolutely love whenever we're making like, maybe, what am I saying? When we make our homemade sushi, but I am going to use it for this as well. I would use apple cider vinegar or regular vinegar, but I don't have this, but this will be just fine. And for a little bit of sweetness, I'm going to add in some raisins. And to season it, I have some pink Himalayan salt as well as some pepper. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get my kale washed off, cut the stems away from it, and get it chopped up. All right, so in my bowl, I already have my kale chopped up. I have my purple cabbage, my 2 cloves of garlic, and then I also have about a half a cup of raisins in here as well. And what I did with the raisins, just to soften them, just soak them in a little bit of water just to plump them back up before you use them in your salad. That's completely optional, or you can even use dried cranberries. It's completely up to you. So what I wanted to do is I set aside a piece of kale and a little bit of the cabbage because I want to show you when you're making the salad, you really want to finely chop up, not finely chop up, but you want to chop up your kale and your cabbage into bite-sized pieces so that it's easier to eat. It's a lot easier to eat smaller pieces like this versus, big chunks. So I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. I'm just going to take the stems off, put that in my little trash bowl, and then right here, I'm also going to cut the stem from the inside as well because this is, a little tough to chew. I'm going to cut this one off as well. And then you're just going to take your kale and just chop it up. Give it a nice chop so that each bite is an easy bite. You're not struggling to eat your salad. And it just makes it a lot easier to digest as well. So we just want to get this chopped up nicely into nice bite-sized pieces for our salad. Okay, we're going to throw that into the bowl. We're making a mess, but it's okay. And then I want to do the same thing with my cabbage. And all my vegetables have been cleaned before I started as well too. So get our purple cabbage chopped up. Like that. All right, so I'm going to get this in our bowl, and then we're going to start seasoning and getting our salad masala. Okay, so I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of our pink Himalayan salt, as well as 1 teaspoon of our black pepper. And then I'm going to take the juice of half of a lemon, and I like to just squeeze by using my spoon to get all of my juice out. Be careful for your seeds. You can just easily pick those out. I actually just had to pause real quick because I had a bunch of seeds in my salad. But you just want to get all of your juice out of your lemon. And I like to use a spoon because it makes it a lot easier to juice it. And then what we're going to add is our olive oil. You just want to give it a nice drizzle. And I like to think of this as like a slaw. You know how you get like the broccoli slaw that they sell at like Walmart? And you could make it creamy if you wanted to by adding like your favorite mayo or vegan mayo to this. And you can also add shredded carrots as well. And it will be very similar to that slaw. But I just want to keep it kind of simple, so I'm not going to do that today. And just a little bit of my rice wine vinegar. And remember I said you can use the rice wine vinegar, you can use regular vinegar, or you can use apple cider, or you don't even have to use it at all if you just only want to use your lemon juice. So now the fun part is we need to get into this bowl and give all of our salad ingredients, our kale and our purple cabbage, a nice massage so that it starts to tenderize and become soft and easier to eat. And our vinegar and our lemon juice is actually going to help break it down a lot. And then our olive oil is going to help bring out the nice tenderness as well. So what I'm going to do is get my hands in here. First, I'm going to clean my hands real quick, and then I'm going to start massaging. Hands are nice and clean, and we're just going to go into this bowl and get to work. And so the way you want to massage is just like you would give you were, giving somebody a massage. You just want to be nice and gentle and rub all of the seasonings and ingredients together. And this is what's going to give us a delicious, tender kale salad. And look how pretty that is, just with the purple and the green together. You guys know, I've told y'all many times before, I love colorful food. I love eating food that's vibrant in color. And not only is this nice and vibrant in color, but it's going to make you feel vibrant and energized from the inside as well. All right, guys, so here is our delicious, yummy kale and red cabbage salad. I love it because it is a little bit tart from the lemon juice and the vinegar, but then you have the sweetness of the red cabbage and the raisins, which balances it off nicely. And most importantly, this is so good for you. So I encourage you guys to definitely give this a try. But more importantly, if your body is craving certain things, certain fruits, certain vegetables, if you're craving water, listen to it. Feed your body what it is asking you for. This is something that I have been learning this past month in this whole new healthy living lifestyle change that I'm trying to make so that I can have a longer, more fulfilling life and get my health back on track. So I'm trying to listen to my body and the things that it needs. And this is definitely one that I needed. I needed some greens in my life. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and also comment below and let me know what you think about it. And as always, please, please, please subscribe. I love having you guys as this channel is growing. And that is it. So let me go ahead and munch on this salad, and I will see you guys next time.